It's going the right direction at this point. Right. We're looking at the horizon. It's getting brighter, but we still have a lot of snow to get through as we go through the night tonight. But the good news is it's going to move out kind of fast. Let's take a look at the radar, and dawn is just getting into a swath, as Sarah puts it, of snow. And yes, it is enhanced. It's kind of shifting into darker purple mode. So they're cutting through Lake County, and keep in mind, I-90 in Lake County right now has been reduced to 40-mile-per-hour speed limits in that nasty stretch around 44. So you can see that dark purple right here that begins to stretch up. So this is going to put down some pretty decent accumulations, make things kind of treacherous. Remember, the wind is still blowing. This is fluffy snow. It's going to be all over the place. And also keep in mind, it's all subjective when it comes to weather conditions in this kind of a situation. I have found there's people who say it's not a problem, no worries, I have no issues. And then there's other people who are just like, this is the worst it's ever been in my life. So keep that in mind. Whatever your comfort level is, you do what you need to do or not do. But the nice news is the back edge of this thing is coming in. Now, I pointed out earlier, we do have a lake effect band that's coming in from Lake Huron, and it's shooting right toward Vermilion, right down into Milan and down into Norwalk as well. Berlin Heights is in there, just west of New London. So that will shift to the east as we go through the night. But look at this band. This is going to be responsible for maybe an inch or two of snow. At the same time, we have a whole lot of moisture that is coming northbound, and it's all kind of being squeezed together. So the snow does continue tonight, and how much more is coming? Well, we're clearing out to the west, even with that lake effect snow band. Remember, that lake snow band is going to be really fine snow. It could put down maybe a half or an inch. We'll just have to see how long it sits in any one place. I think it's going to start to move east in the next couple of hours. 1 to 3 inches of snow across a good part of the central portion of our viewing area, and then to the east, 2 to 4 inches of snow. Now that does include Stark County, Tuscarawas, Carroll counties up into Mahoning County as well. Columbiana County, you're in there. I found out we have people who watch us down there. But then all of that will start to shift out as we go through the overnight hours. That's definitely good. The wind is obviously creating problems. That wind will begin to settle down as we get into the day tomorrow, and the snow will be moving out quickly. I'm going to give you a little peek of the weekend forecast because I just want to show everybody it's getting better. The problem is this cold air, and that will be with us as we go through the weekend, even into the start of next week. So there's that band I was pointing out earlier. That's going to come eastbound. At the same time, we have this snow that's working north. It is causing a lot of problems on the roads. What this is showing you is speed. So when you see yellows and oranges, that means people are going slower than normal. This is Rocky River. Look, there's not snow falling right now, but there's a ton of ice and snow on the roads on I-90. This is down in Canton. Snow falling to beat the band. Slushy, icy accumulation on the roads. We're down to about 1 lane there. And the visibilities kind of pinpoint where the heavier snow is. Half-mile visibility, Dover, Akron, Canton, and Youngstown. The snow is falling at a pretty good clip, and it's blowing around. We still have those gusts at 30+ miles per hour. That's driving the wind chills down to near zero. Tomorrow morning it starts sub-zero. The overall storm system is moving pretty much on track. We're going to take it right up through West Virginia to the East Coast. There's the backside. It all rotates through later tonight, and that means, watch, it starts to clear out from west to east. By the time we hit 3 a.m., the snow should be over for Cleveland, except for that little lake effect band that'll swing through the early morning hours. But other than that, we should be looking pretty good for the day tomorrow. Just really cold. Temperatures will be in the low teens, and the wind chills will be single digits below zero. Tomorrow night then looks downright frigid. And again, clearing out west, 1 to 3 inches of snow for our blue swaths here. It does include Cleveland, Akron, and then over toward the Mansfield area, 2 to 4 over toward the PA state line. Much colder tomorrow. We'll be in the low to mid-teens most of the day. That 18 is a little deceptive because that's going to happen in the morning. By the way, this morning it was 60 degrees at 4:36 a.m. Just pointing that out. Universal Windows direct forecast then through the rest of the weekend dries us out. Monday, a clipper comes through with another 2 to 4 inches of snow. Snow clears out for Tuesday into Wednesday, and then we finally get back above freezing about a week from today.